Hello, friends. I hope everyone is good and fit and healthy. And today I have bring a big update for you. Very soon I will start spoken English batch at Panishala and Kushmondi. Okay. Uh, if you willing, okay, only willing students can contact with me on this number, which I have given below on on the description box. Uh, Please do check if you willing to do that. Okay. The main objective, you can say, the main objective of this video is uh, to remind you, not to force you. Okay. I don't force you, but the main objective of this video is, you can say, to remind you. Okay. So with this I have concluded. Okay, I can't force you. If you willing to do that, if your heart is willing to do that, and to do learn spoken English with us, please contact with us on this number which I have given below. Okay. So okay, take care and take care of family and take care of family. Okay, that's it. Okay, take care.